Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 22C from chapter Heights and Distances. So starting with question number 9, the angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points on the ground at distances A and B meters from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is root AB meter. There is a tower and we have to prove that the height of that tower is root AB meters. Now, there is a tower, so let us draw the tower. Let AB represent the height of the tower. ठीक है? Now, the angles of elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points on the ground at distances A and B meters from the base of the tower. So, we are observing the top of the tower from 2 points on the ground. Okay? So there is a ground, so ground will be horizontal, this is vertical, so angle हो जाएगा 90 degrees. ठीक है? Now there are 2 points on the ground and 2 points on the ground at distances A and B meters. So 2 points है on the ground and दोनों का distances दिया है, one is A meters, another one is B meters. Which one is A, which one is B, we don't know. Okay, whether the greater distance is A or the smaller distance is A, we are not given that. So you can take randomly. Okay. So distance is A and B meters from the base of the tower. So from the base of the tower, we are going to consider 2 points on the ground. Okay, and in the same straight line. So both the points are along the same straight line, same side पे है. Okay, it's not like one point is on one side and another point is on the other side. Okay, so both the points are on the same side. Okay, so in the same straight line with it are complementary. Now you are told that the angles of elevation, okay, so 2 points है जहाँ से हम लोग top of the tower observe कर रहे हैं and जो angle of elevation form हो रहा है, 2 angles of elevation होगा because 2 points of observation है, so both the angles are complementary, that is sum of the 2 angles of elevation is 90 degrees. Okay, first let us draw the 2 points. One is P, another one is Q. ठीक है? Now distances of 2 points दिया हुआ है, one is A meters, another one is B meters. Which one is A and which one is B, it is not told. So you can randomly take according to your choice. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे matter भी नहीं कर रहा है. So let this be A. I'm taking PB as A and QB as B. Okay, so point P का distance from foot of tower is A meters and point Q का distance from foot of tower is B meters. Okay, so now we are observing the top of the tower. So ये लाइन ऑफ साइट हो गया, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल हो गया, सो दिस विल बी एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. दिस इज लाइन ऑफ साइट, दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल, तो ये एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. व्हाट वी आर टोल्ड इज एंगल्स ऑफ एलिवेशन आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, दैट इज दिस एंगल ए पी बी एंड एंगल ए क्यू बी, दोनों का सम इज 90 डिग्रीज. ओके, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स यू हैव लर्नड इन लोअर क्लासेस. सो एंगल ए पी बी एंड एंगल ए क्यू बी का sum is 90 degrees. Okay, now we don't know the measure of one of the angles, so we cannot even find the other angle. But if we assume this angle to be theta, let us assume this to be theta, so what will be this angle? If this is theta, so angle AQB will be 90 minus theta, correct? So AQB will be 90 minus theta AQB. Now we need to prove that the height of the tower AB is equal to root AB meter. That is height of the tower को हम लोग को distances से relate करना है, height को distances से relate करना है. ठीक है? Now A से भी relate करना है, B से भी relate करना है. So we are going to consider 2 triangles. एक triangle, right angle triangle जिसमें there is A and another right angle triangle जिसमें there is B. Okay? So APB and AQB we are going to consider. Okay, now angle APB is theta, this is 90 minus theta, and PB is A meters, this is B meters. Now which trigonometric ratio to take to relate the height and the distance? This is the angle of elevation, so दिस इज़ ऑपोजिट साइड एंड दिस इज़ adjacent साइड. मुझे ये दो को रिलेट करना है. ओके, आई वॉन्ट टू रिलेट द हाइट विथ ए. सो एंगल का ऑपोजिट एंड एंगल का एडजेसेंट रिलेट करने के लिए विच ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो, टोवा, I'll take tan of the angle. So tan theta is equal to angle का opposite, that is AB, upon angle का adjacent, that is PB. PB is nothing but A. Correct. Now over here same thing. यहाँ पे I need to relate AB with QB. Okay. So angle का opposite side and adjacent side relate करना है. So I'll take tan 90 minus theta. Okay, so that will be equal to AB upon QB, that is B. Now if you observe, tan theta is equal to this and tan 90 minus theta is equal to this. How will I relate? यहाँ पे theta है, यहाँ पे 90 minus theta है. I don't want both the angles. Okay, I don't want two different angles like this. So what I should do over here, in this case 90 minus theta को हम लोग नहीं कंसिडर करेंगे. Don't consider this angle. Instead consider the other angle. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे we will try to find this angle. This angle is nothing but theta. Okay, ये angle theta हो जाएगा. Using sum of all angles of triangles, find this angle. I'll explain why we are not considering 90 minus theta. Okay, 90 minus theta पिक्चर में आ जाएगा. We don't want the angle. So हम लोग ये फाइंड करेंगे. This is going to be theta. Okay, it's understandable. So ये 90 है, ये 90 minus theta है. So 90 plus 90 minus theta plus angle QAB. Sum of all three angles is 180 degrees. This is 180 minus theta plus angle QAB is equal to 180 degrees. 180 180 cancel हो जाएगा. So if I shift theta on the other side, angle QAB is equal to theta. So QAB is theta. Now take tan of this angle. Okay, so ये जो angle है उसका tan लो. Now if you consider this angle, तो एंगल का ऑपोजिट अपॉन एंगल का एडजेसेंट हो जाएगा. करेक्ट. tan of the angle is what? Opposite side upon adjacent side. Adjacent is AB. So tan theta will be opposite, that is B. Okay, QB is B upon AB. Okay, and what did we get from APB? APB से हम लोग को मिला था tan theta is equal to AB upon A. Okay, you can check once again if you want. So tan theta is AB upon A. Now theta angle is same, angle change नहीं हुआ है. Correct. So ये angle and ये angle दोनों same है. Now since both the angles are theta, तो दोनों का tan भी same होगा. Okay, अगर ये 25 है तो ये भी 25 है. So tan of the angle is going to be same. Since LHS is same, I can say RHS is same. Okay, so B upon AB is equal to AB upon A. Okay, so B upon AB is equal to AB upon A. Shift, so AB is equal to AB squared. Now take square root on both the sides. So if you take square root, this will become square root of AB, and square ka square root, square will vanish. So I can say AB is equal to square root of AB. That is the height of the tower is equal to square root of AB. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to you. Don't take this angle. Instead, find the other angle of the triangle and take tan of that angle. ठीक है? So now let us write down proper statements and start with the solution. So draw a proper figure and then write down the given information. So the figure will be like this. Okay. Now AB represents the height of the tower. AB is the height of the tower, and P and Q are 2 points on the ground at distances A and B respectively from the foot of the ground. So I have taken A का distance as A and Q का distance as B. You can take the other way around also. So change the order. ठीक है. So P का distance B हो जाएगा, Q का A हो जाएगा. In case you take the other way around. So from the foot of the ground, that is B. So PB is A and QB is B. Okay. APB, angle APB we are taking as theta. So let it be equal to theta. तो ये angle क्या हो जाएगा? AQB. It will be 90 minus theta because these two angles are complementary. So angle AQB is 90 minus theta. Now we are not interested in 90 minus theta. We want theta only. So ये एंगल थीटा हो जाएगा. Consider this triangle AQB. So in triangle AQB, show that angle QAB is theta. Okay, take sum of all angles as we did. ठीक है. So sum of all angles लो and you will get angle QAB is equal to theta. Now it's easy. You know this is theta, you know this is theta. Take tan of the angles. ठीक है. tan of the angle लेने से height and distance का relation मिलेगा. Okay, and we need to relate height and distance only. So now we'll start solving. We'll consider triangle APB and triangle AQB. Now we are going to consider triangle AQB and APB. Okay, so I have drawn them separately for understanding. Now first I'll consider AQB. So in triangle AQB, एंगल का ऑपोजिट एंड एडजेसेंट रिलेट करना है. आई नीड टू रिलेट हाइट विथ द डिस्टेंस. ओके, सो एंगल का ऑपोजिट एंड एंगल का एडजेसेंट. सो विच ऑफ द रेशियोज? सो यू विल टेक टैन. सो जस्ट राइट डाउन एंगल QAB, पहले गिवन लिख लो, इज इक्वल टू थीटा एंड QB इज इक्वल टू B meters. ओके, सो वी विल टेक टैन थीटा. It is equal to opposite, that is QB, upon adjacent, that is AB. Okay, so tan theta is equal to QB, that is B upon AB. Okay, make substitution. Now we got this, mark this as 1. Okay, now in triangle APB, so APB में angle APB is equal to theta and PB is equal to A meters. Again we'll take tan of the angle. So tan of the angle gives angle का opposite and angle का adjacent का relation. Okay, so angle का opposite is AB and adjacent is PB. So AB upon PB is A. Here we are getting tan theta is equal to this, and यहाँ पे we are getting tan theta is equal to this. So mark this as 2. From 1 and 2, I can say that LHS are equal, therefore RHS will be equal. Okay, so now we will write down that B upon AB is equal to AB upon A. So from 1 and 2, B upon AB is equal to AB upon A. Correct? RHS equal हो जाएगा. So shift A, so AB is equal to AB squared. Okay, so taking square root on both the sides, write down taking square root on both the sides. Whenever you square or take square root, you have to write down. ठीक है, so square root of AB is equal to square and square root, they cancel out each other, so vanish हो जाएगा. So AB is equal to root AB meters. ठीक है, so we proved this. Box this and write down the final statement. The height of the tower is root AB meters. Okay, let's read the next question. Question number 10. From a window A 10 meters above the ground, the angle of elevation of the top C of a tower is x degrees, where tan x is equal to 5 upon 2, and the angle of depression of the foot of the tower is y degrees, where tan y is equal to 1 upon 4. Calculate the height CD of the tower in meters. We have to find the height of the tower CD. CD is a tower, it represents the height of the tower, and we have to find that. Okay, so this is the figure given to us. Now from a window A 10 meters above the ground, the angle of elevation of top C of a tower is x degrees. So there is a window A over here 10 meters above the ground. Ground will be the horizontal. Okay, so BD ground है. Okay, now BD is the ground and CD is the tower. ओके, सो ये टावर हो गया, ये ग्राउंड हो गया, एंड देर इज सम स्मॉल हाउस और बिल्डिंग समथिंग, एंड फ्रॉम देर इज अ विंडो, ओके, एट पॉइंट ए. नाउ दिस विंडो इज 10 meters अबाउ द ग्राउंड. सो ये ग्राउंड है एंड ये 10 meters अबाउ है, सो ए बी जो है 10 meters हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो दिस इज वर्टिकल, दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल, ये 90 degrees हो गया. दिस टावर इज वर्टिकल, दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल, तो ये 90 degrees हो गया. ओके, now From a window A 10 meters above the ground, the angle of elevation of the top C of a tower is x degrees, where tan x is equal to 5/2. Now from the window you are observing the top of the tower. So angle of elevation दिया हुआ है, from lower level you are looking at a higher level, तो angle of elevation हो जाएगा. So line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle, that is x degrees, is the angle of elevation. Now tan x is given to us, tan x is 5/2. ठीक है, so I'll just write down over here, tan x is 5/2. Now the angle of depression of the foot of the tower is y degrees. So from the same point, from the same window, you are observing the foot of the tower. पहले top of the tower देखा, now foot of the tower. So when you are looking from a higher level to a lower level, angle of depression form होता है. Okay, so this is line of sight. Okay, sorry, this is line of sight AD and this is horizontal. So line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle, this will be y degrees. Okay, now again we are given tan y, it is 1/4. Okay, now calculate the height CD of the tower in meters. We have to find CD. Now is CD a part of a right angle triangle? Is it a side of a right angle triangle? CAD, it is not a right angle triangle. Okay, so what we need to do is break CD. ठीक है, CD को break कर देते हैं. This horizontal को we'll name AE. Okay, so we'll break CD in two parts, length CE and length ED. दोनों अलग से find करते हैं and then we'll add the two lengths and we'll get the length CD. Okay, so CE is a part of this right angle triangle, ED is a part of this right angle triangle. Okay, so CAE and DAE, okay, two right angle triangles. So ED and CE find करना है, but ED is easy. ED, if you notice, this ABDE is a rectangle. From the figure you can say this is a rectangle. ये 90 degrees है, ये 90 degrees है. By linear pair this is 90 degree. Three angles of quadrilateral is 90, तो fourth angle automatically 90 हो जाता है. ठीक है, so ABDE is a rectangle. You don't even need to prove, from figure you can say. ठीक है, so since this is a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. ये 10 मीटर्स है तो ये भी 10 मीटर्स हो जाएगा, तो ये 10 मीटर्स हो गया. ED easily मिल गया. Now we need to find CE. So CE फाइंड करना है. Now CE फाइंड करने के लिए वो भी डायरेक्टली नहीं मिलेगा. Let us see if we are getting CE by considering CAE. So if you consider CAE triangle, ठीक है, this is x degrees. Now we know tan x is equal to 5/2. ठीक है, now what is tan of the angle? Tan of the angle is opposite upon adjacent. So का टोबा you need to remember. ठीक है, so tan of the angle is opposite side upon adjacent side. Angle का opposite कौन सा है? CE है. Adjacent कौन सा है? AE है. To find CE I need to know AE. Do I know AE? I don't know. So AE पहले find करना पड़ेगा. Okay, AE कैसे मिलेगा? Now this triangle DAE will be useful. DAE जो है, it is not just given like that. Tan y ऐसे ही नहीं दिया है, it is useful. So this is the reason you need to pay attention to even small details given in a question. Okay, तो यहाँ पे tan y हम लोग को दिया हुआ है. Also we are given this is 10 meters. ठीक है, not given but from the figure you can say ED is 10 meters. Now if you use trigonometric ratio over here, tan y is 1/4. Okay, now what is tan of the angle? It is opposite upon adjacent. Angle का opposite is ED and adjacent कौन सा हो जाएगा? AE. Correct, this is तो hypotenuse, ये adjacent हो जाएगा, so angle का adjacent is AE. Now ED is 10, so just cross multiply, तो हो जाएगा AE into 1 AE. So AE मिल गया, it is 40. So first we'll consider triangle DAE. DAE से AE find करेंगे. AE once you get, you'll be considering triangle CAE and CAE से you will get CE. ठीक है, सो ED मिल गया, देन CE मिल गया. Once you get CE and ED, you just need to add and you will get CD का length, that is the height of the tower. Okay, so I'm not solving this part again, we'll solve it when we'll be actually solving. Okay, solution जब start करेंगे हम लोग. So let us write down the proper given and then we'll start with the solution. Write down the given in short. Okay, so ABV are given. Okay, it's 10 meters and angle CAE is x degrees and angle DAE is y degrees. Tan x is 5/2, tan y is 1/4. We have to find CD का length. Okay, now construction में you just need to name this point as E. Okay, so name the horizontal from AE. ठीक है, so horizontal यहाँ से draw किया हुआ है, so horizontal को AE name कर दो. Okay, now we'll start with the solution. So first we'll find ED. ED मिल रहा है easily. Okay, so ED consider करके then we'll consider triangle DAE जहाँ पे हम लोग AE find करेंगे. Okay, so to find ED first we'll say that this quadrilateral is a rectangle. So quadrilateral ABDE is a rectangle from the figure. Okay, write down the reason. Now therefore I can say opposite sides are equal, so AB is equal to ED. Okay, so AB 10 meters है, therefore ED is also equal to 10 meters. Okay, यहाँ पे BD required नहीं है, so I'm not considering BD equal to AE over here. Okay, now we'll consider triangle DAE. So triangle DAE, there is DAE, this is y degrees, this is 10 meters. We need to find AE. So angle का opposite पता है, angle का adjacent. Okay, so opposite and adjacent, that is tan of the angle we are already given. ठीक है, so in triangle DAE, angle DAE is equal to y degrees, tan of the angle is 1/4 and ED is equal to 10 meters. Okay, write down all the given information. Now tan of the angle is already given, so you don't need to even consider कौन सा रेशियो लेना है, कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो लेना है. tan of the angle दिया है तो tan of the angle ही कंसिडर करो. So tan of the angle is what? Angle का opposite, that is ED upon angle का adjacent, that is AE. Okay, so this is for better understanding. Angle का opposite is this, angle का adjacent is this. Now tan y is what? 1/4. ED is 10 meters upon AE. So shift AE over here and this over here, cross multiply. So AE into 1 gives AE and 4 into 10 gives 40. So 40 meters. AE मिल गया. Now we'll consider triangle CAE and find CE. Okay. So consider triangle CAE. Okay, this is x degrees. AE we found 40 meters है. We need to find CE. Okay, so in triangle CAE, angle CAE is equal to x degrees. Tan of the angle is 5/2 and AE is equal to 40 meters. Now tan of the angle is given, so consider that only. What is tan of the angle? Angle का opposite side, that is CE, upon angle का adjacent side, that is AE. Okay, so tan x is 5/2, so substitute that value over here. Now CE we have to find. AE is 40, shift 40, so 5 into 40/2, so that gives 100. Okay, so CE is equal to 100 meters. Don't forget to put correct unit. CE मिल गया, ED मिल गया, this is 100, this is 10, so add. CD is equal to CE plus ED. CE is 100, this is 10, so हो जाएगा 110 meters. Okay, so height of the tower, write down the final statement. The height of the tower CD is 110 meters. Coming to next question, question number 11. A vertical tower is 20 meters high. A man standing at some distance from the tower knows that the cosine of the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 0.53. How far is he standing from the foot of the tower? There is a vertical tower which is 20 meters high. So let us draw the tower first. Okay. So let's say there is a tower AB. Okay. Height of the tower is 20 meters. So AB is 20 meters. Okay. A man standing at some distance from the tower knows that the cosine of the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 0.53. Forget this part. He is standing at some distance. Okay. So there is a man standing on the ground. So this is tower. This will be the ground. This is vertical. This is horizontal. So angle हो जाएगा 90 degrees. Okay. Let's say the man is standing at some distance. Okay. From the tower. So let's say he is standing at point P. Okay. Now he is standing at point P and he is observing the top of the tower. So knows that the cosine of the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 0.53. So he is observing the top of the tower. So this will be the line of sight, this will be the horizontal, the angle in between will be the angle of elevation. Now are we given the angle of elevation? No. We are told that the cosine of the angle of the elevation. Cosine means cos of the angle. Okay, so cos of the angle is 0.53. Let the angle be theta. Okay, so cos of the angle, that is cos theta, is 0.53. We have to find how far is he standing from the foot of the tower. This is the foot of the tower. Here is the man. So ये distance कितना है PB, that is what we have to find. Now एंगल का ऑपोजिट साइड दिया हुआ है, एंगल का adjacent साइड फाइंड करना है. करेक्ट. दिस इज ऑपोजिट साइड, दिस इज adjacent साइड. ऑपोजिट एंड adjacent का रिलेशन यू गेट फ्रॉम विच ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो? यू गेट इट फ्रॉम tan. करेक्ट. सो यहाँ पे और कोई साइड तो दिया नहीं है, हाइपोटेनस तो दिया नहीं है. सो ऑपोजिट साइड दिया है, adjacent फाइंड करना है. फॉर दैट वी यूज tan. ओके. व्हाट आर वी गिवन? वी आर गिवन cos of the angle. Cos of the angle is what? It is adjacent upon hypotenuse. You are supposed to know trigonometric ratios. Okay. So adjacent तो PB है, hypotenuse AP है, hypotenuse तो हम लोग को पता नहीं है. So what will we do in this case? Use this to find the angle theta. इससे थीटा फाइंड आउट करो. So go to natural cosine का table. Okay, and look the values 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree. So look out for the values. कहाँ पे you are getting the value closest to 0.53. So let us look at the table and see what is the angle. Okay, cos of which angle is equal to 0.53. So let's look at the natural cosine table. Now if you will go to natural cosine का table, okay, you will observe that initially you are not getting 0.53. So if you reach 57 degrees, okay, 57 degrees के रो में जाके 54 minutes पे you are getting 0.5314. Correct. So it is closer to 0.53. Okay, so 0.5314 मिल रहा है. All right. Now after that if you go to 58 degrees you are getting 0.5299. After which it is again decreasing. Cos के टेबल में you see initially higher value रहता है, then decrease होते जाता है. Okay, so you always subtract the mean difference also in cosine. So over here 0.5314 है, 0.5299 है. Which one is very close to 0.53? It is 0.5299. So 58 degrees and 0 minutes पे, that is 58 degrees, cos of 58 degrees is equal to 0.53. ओके, राउंड ऑफ करके 0.53 ही हो जाता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे 99 है. सो cos of 58 degrees and 0 minutes is nothing but cos of 58 degrees is 0.53. So theta क्या हो जाएगा? 58 degrees. Okay, so cos theta is cos 58. So I can say that theta is 58. Okay, so theta मिल जाएगा. This will be 58 degrees. Once you get theta, take tan of the angle. Tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. Okay, so tan 58 is equal to opposite, that is AB, upon adjacent, that is PB. This we know. This you will get from natural tangents ka table. So just substitute the values and solve and you will get the value for PB. Okay, so the distance of the man from the foot of the tower you can easily find out. So now let us write down the given in a proper manner and then we'll start with the solution. So the diagram is very simple over here. Okay, now AB represents the height of the tower. So AB is the height of the tower, which is 20 meters. Okay, now P is the position where the man is standing. So point P is the position of the man. PB is the distance of the man from the foot of the tower. He's standing over here, the foot of the tower is over here. So PB is the distance of the man from the foot of the tower, which we have to find. Angle of elevation, angle APB is theta. Okay, he's looking at the top of the tower, so angle of elevation theta hai. Now cos theta is given to us, that is 0.53. First we'll find theta. Okay, so theta find करने के लिए you'll observe natural cosine का table. ठीक है, so natural cosine के table में जाके you will get cos 58 is approximately equal to 0.53. correct? So you are getting cos 58 equal to 0.5299, so it is approximately equal to 0.53. Now cos theta is equal to 0.53, cos 58 is equal to 0.53. Since RHS is equal, I can say LHS is equal. So therefore cos theta is equal to cos 58. Don't cancel cos, you don't do that. Okay, cos cancel नहीं होता है. Since cos of this angle is equal to cos of this angle, मतलब angle equal है. Okay, so always keep in mind you don't cancel this out. So therefore I can say theta is equal to 58. Okay, so theta मिल गया. Now we know angle का opposite side, we need to find adjacent side. So we'll be using this triangle, okay, APB, and we'll find PB. So in triangle APB, angle APB is equal to 58 degrees and AB is equal to 20 meters. Now tan of the angle, that is tan 58, is equal to opposite side, that is AB, upon adjacent side, that is PB. Okay, tan 58 you will get from tan natural tangents ka table. So go to natural tangents ka table and check tan 58 and 0 minutes ka value. AB is 20 meters and PB we have to find. Okay, now this from the table you will get 1.6003. ठीक है, now shift this over here and this over here. So PB is equal to 20 upon 1.6003. To remove decimal point, what you will do is multiply by 4 zeros, that is 10,000. So हो जाएगा 16003. Okay, now divide. So PB is equal to 2 lakh upon 16003. So divide this now. So on dividing you get 12.4976. Okay, find the answer up to 4 decimal place and then round off. So PB is approximately equal to 12.5. correct? Here there is 9. Okay, and इसके पहले भी 7 and 6, all numbers are greater than 5. So obviously you will add 1 over here. So 12.4976 is nothing but 12.5 meters. Okay, so we are getting PB equal to 12.50 meters or 12.5 meters. Okay, so write down the final statement. The distance of the man from the foot of the tower is 12.5 meters.